First of all, we got to do a lot of activities. I learned new things I didn't know. Like, this is my jab and this is my cross. We've been learning about ChatGPT.
So what you have to do is that you have to connect the blocks and then you run the test and then it shows you how your voice flow works.
Think about ordering a pizza, what steps gonna come?
I really like esports. It's about video games. I got to play a lot of my video games. We're gonna do a competition like later in the weeks.
We had a gaming bus outside actually yesterday. It's really fun there. Like, I went to a game truck. Next Friday, there's also a field trip. We've been building this robot that moves with coding. In the Lego League, I finally learned how to make wheels and how to build more. This is my first time ever coding a robot and getting it to move.
This is my first job I've ever had, and I'm really excited to be here.
I've just expected just to, sit down and do paperwork and help a teacher out. But it's more like walking around and interacting with the kids.
It makes me feel happy that I get to guide these kids and make sure that they have a better future and have an opportunity to learn with this program.
I'm looking to learn more science, math, and reading. So I could get smart for next year. Well, science is important because, people get sick and coronavirus. Scientists figured out how to help them in their early life and stuff. Learning how to build things in S.E.E.K helped me as a future engineer.